I'm Rob Ward with Lumen Technologies. I run our global network architecture and engineering team. And so we're looking at the 1 year, 3 year view for how we're going to build our networks, what are the trends that are impacting our company, and how we need to satisfy those. Lumen's network is working to address the AI needs that we're seeing. Obviously, massive growth that is being projected, and so when we kind of bring that down to how does Lumen need to account for those. It really starts from the ground up, and literally the ground, the fiber that we're putting in the ground. We're going to almost double our U.S. network, and that's 34 million fiber miles that we're going to add by 2028. And it's really that scale, that network that allows us to enable and create the Lumen Private Connectivity Fabric, which is our ability to customize those networks for large enterprises, hyperscalers, to meet the scale and the flexibility needs that they have in their business. On top of that, now we're working and investing to increase speeds available across that network, really moving now into 400 gig. That's sort of our common currency now. We've got 400 gig enabled across 100,000 route miles now. With 800 gig and 1.6 terabits is sort of around the corner we're preparing for as those needs can continue to grow. And then on top of that, we wrap that with this experience wrapper, this network as a service platform that really allows our customers to build that connectivity that they need from their premise to data centers, to clouds, and any of that combination, but do that in a way where they can consume it digitally, very easily, lets them customize and manage the service just like it's their own. So Cloud 2.0 is our vision and recognition that the existing networks of today won't support the needs of AI in the future. And so from an enterprise lens, we think that our CTOs and CIOs are beginning to recognize this, understand that we're going to need some increase in speeds. Those geographies are beginning to change, and I need adaptability in my business. As much as we can look at 3 years down the road, really can't predict what AI looks like, much less 1 year from now. So those CTOs and CIOs are looking for that level of adaptability, so that they're not locked into a particular geography, location, cloud partners. So it becomes really important. What Lumen is doing to support Cloud 2.0. We see the network moving from a Cloud 1.0 design that was fairly static, built around centralized compute, to something that is going to be very distributed. And it's we're seeing the network stratified into sort of 3 different areas. Cloud access edge, right? So how do you get consumption onto the network, data consumption. You have data center interconnects, so high-speed connectivity between the various data centers that we're seeing popping up in both Tier 1 locations as well as Tier 2, Tier 3. And then really that core high-speed hyperscaler core backbone. You'll see different services that fit in each of those different applications. So it is that stratification that we're customizing services within each of those to accommodate those needs.